let's bring Attorney Emily Campagno into this. Attorney David Lockhall, also with me still, Robert Way, the former Whitewater prosecutor, who eerily saw all of this, by the way. But let me get your sense of where this maybe goes now, that all of a sudden we have to look at what could come next. Is it more digging around in financial transactions? Does it extend, or does it tip the hand of where the Mueller folks are going, or is that totally separate?
Generally speaking, I think that's separate. I mean, except in the sense that it's obvious that they drilled down hard on financial transactions with respect to the investigation of Manafort.
All right, so is it yours? From that, what does that mean then? If you're Robert Mueller, you're looking at how a jury has decided on this, and even though this wasn't your case per se, but it was the buildup of your case, what does it mean?
I think if you think about what the past shows is that Mueller has been following the evidence wherever it leads, and in Manafort's case, it led to financial transactions and charges of tax fraud, bank fraud, and other fraud against the government. And I think the fact that he did that in the past indicates he's perfectly willing to do that in the future. As you know, has been pointed out, these charges are not about collusion per se. They're about Manafort's fraudulent activities, and the question is, whether or not any of those charges can be applied against Manafort to bring pressure against him in the Russia case. There's nothing about Russia in this trial and in this verdict.
All right.